In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted playlist on Spotify. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you will obviously need to do is head over to spotify.com, and then once you have logged into your account, you'll be on this page here. And then from here, what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner to where it says profile, click on the drop down menu, and then you will need to select account. Once you select account, you will be brought over to this page. And what you need to do now is just simply scroll down a little bit until you see recover playlist on the left hand side. Click on recover playlist, and then you will get a list of all the playlists that you have recently deleted. So for this example, I have just deleted this playlist here for this tutorial. So all you need to do to restore it is simply click this button here. And then as you can see, it has now been restored. And then as you can see on the left hand side, once you have clicked on restore, your playlist now will appear back on your Spotify. So that's how you can go ahead and recover a deleted playlist on Spotify.